Hello friends, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to see EC2 troubleshooting step, or we can say AWS troubleshooting steps. Okay, so in our previous AWS troubleshooting video, we have seen how to troubleshoot EC2 instance. Okay, here we are going to do something different. Okay, so in this video, and let me show you what issues we are going to discover today in today's topic. Okay, so let me open my notepad. Okay, so the issue number one, the first problem statement is how to enable disable public IP while creating new instance. Okay, so I seen many comments where you guys ask that while creating new instance, okay, by default the public IP setting is disabled, so how to enable that? Okay, that is number one. So issue number two, how to hide DNS name. So in public IP you can see DNS name is there, sometime it is not there, so how to enable disable that? Okay, so that is second statement, problem statement. Now the third one, okay, the issue number three, not able to ping EC2. Okay, can RDP, can PuTTY, but however not able to ping. Okay, so how to resolve this issue? Okay, so these three issues we are going to see today. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, I will recommend go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video then give like a big thumbs up. Okay, so to watch a daily cloud operations video, the daily hacks video, I will suggest please subscribe this channel. Okay, so let's start. Our first issue is how to enable disable public IP while creating new instance. Okay, so let's see this. So login into your AWS console. Okay, and now let's go to subnet. Okay, in subnet I will show you directly. Okay, while creating you will get those option, or even from VPC also you can go to subnet. Okay, check my all earlier videos, you will get to know. Okay, so this is my subnet. Let me select this subnet and let go to action. Here you can see this option, modify auto assign IP settings. Okay, so now you can see here it is already I have enabled this. Okay, if I disable, then I am not able to create a new public IP while new instance creation. Okay, so I want this, so I'm keeping enable. But in your cases, you might get from your audit team, your compliance team, that why every instance you have public IP address. Okay, so why this is enable, something like that. This will be your audit checklist also. Okay, so you can disable this. Okay, go ahead and disable. Okay, so I'm not disabling, I want this for next troubleshooting. Okay, so this is the one option. Okay, so our first problem statement is resolved. Let me open my notepad. Okay, so we resolve this. Okay, now this next one, how to hide DNS name. Okay, so in public IP you can see lots of DNS names, so how to hide that? I'm already here, let me go here. Okay, so this is my Linux server. You can see here I'm not having the public IP address. Okay, but I want to give public IP address, so by default it is not enabled. You need to enable that. Okay, in some of the organization it is already there, so by default it is not enabled. Okay, so let me show you where it is. So for this again you need to go to the VPC. So just here on the downside you can click on VPC, or either go step by step here in the services and go to VPC. It is up to you guys. Okay, so this is my VPC. Okay, then go to action, and you can see here lots of options out here. The first option, create flow log. I have created the video also how to create VPC flow log. Please go and watch that. Okay, then let me explore this option. Okay, so here is edit DNS hostname. Not hostname, it is resolution, I think so. Okay, let me verify. Okay. Okay, it is already enabled. Let's go back to EC2. Instance. Let's see our public DNS. Okay, so you can guys see here the public DNS is already enabled. Okay, if I want to disable this, okay, so again the same process. Go to VPC, go to action, select your subnet, edit DNS hostname, and uncheck this. Click on save, come back here, refresh. Okay, now you can see here the DNS name is gone. Okay, so let's enable this. I want this for my future troubleshootings. Let's enable. Okay, now go back, refresh. Okay, so you seen here, right? So our second problem statement, how to hide or show DNS name, it's done. Okay, now third one, not able to ping EC2, can RDP, can PuTTY. Okay, so this is my Linux, so let's try to ping. Okay, let me open the command prompt. Okay, now let me ping. This is IP address. Ping. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so I'm getting RTO. Okay, so what to do? Okay, go to your security. Okay, select the server, go to security, go to security group. Okay, now you can see here in inbound we have only not RDP, SSH. This is Linux, so SSH is open. So go ahead and add ICMP traffic. Okay, so what I'm going to add, I'm going to add all ICMP IPv4, and it will be anywhere. Okay, you can specify, okay, with your CIDR range IP address. Okay, now select the server. Okay, copy the IP address again and ping again. Okay, so let me open the command prompt. Okay, ping. Okay, and now hit enter. Let's see. Okay, so you see guys, it is pinging now. Let me do again. Okay, so it's pinging. Okay, and few moments back when you check, okay, same IP address, it was RTO, but it is pinging now. Okay, and server status is still same running. Okay, so these are the three issue statement, okay, which you guys seen today. And if you like this video, then give one big thumbs up. Okay, and do like, do share, subscribe, and keep watching this channel for more daily troubleshooting videos for cloud operations. That's it for today. See you on next week. Bye bye.